of course. Make we scatter this place tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? Queenie K here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, it's going to be all about the Kylie Cosmetics concealers. And I've been wanting to try these out for a while. But anyways, Kylie launched some skin concealers with a color range of with 30 colors in the whole concealer line. And so I went in and I tried to find what would fit me best, because if it has 30 colors in there, there has to be something that would fit me, right? I went in there and I decided to get something that would fit my skin tone itself, something that could highlight and something that could contour. Because if you have a broad color range, I expect to find something that I could also contour with, and not that my skin tone would be the very, very last color. Okay, so just to get this clear, this is not a first time video. This is not a first impressions video. This is actually a review. I have worn this product for the past 2 days. I'm just going to show you guys how I apply this and show you guys what it looks like, what the finish looks like, the texture, how it goes on, all that fun stuff. I have heard that this is somewhat like the ColourPop concealers. I did not like the ColourPop concealers whatsoever. The undertones did not fit me. I bought the 3 darkest colors and none of those worked for me. This is the darkest color from ColourPop. And this is the darkest color from Kylie Cosmetics. There is a great difference. You can have dark colors and you put it on and it's gray. Like, what's the point of making a whole color range if the colors aren't actually going to be good? So that is why I am reviewing this, because I really want to know if it's good or if it's just for show. Okay, so I'm going to start off with CLOVE, which I said is my skin tone. I've already primed my skin with the MAC Natural Radiance Primer. So I'm just going to do streaks. Yeah, it smells like makeup. This stuff goes a long way. It's thick. And as you can see, it's very rich colored. A little orangey. It kind of looks like the NARS All Day Luminous foundation in the color Dark 4 or Cartoon. So I'm going to use a beauty blender. I lied. I'm not going to use a beauty blender. I'm going to use a foundation brush, a flat one, and brush this in. Okay, so this is CLOVE. I know I look so crazy. This is a spot concealer, not a foundation, so don't abuse it like this. But I'm just trying to show you guys how the color would look on dark skin. It goes a long way. You do not have to use this much at all. This is what I'm just choosing to do because this is what I've been doing, just to see how it holds up. Like, let's say if you ran out of foundation, could you use this as an alternative? Absolutely. But you can't just go out like this. Or choose a color that's not so red, but this is just my preference. I like when my face has warmth. Okay, so let's move on. I'm now going to use the concealer in Almond. I like the smell. They remind me of kind of like MAC products. They kind of smell like that. Okay, so I'm just going to do some lines under my eyes. And then now I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend this out. So as you can see, that color is literally the LA Girl color in the LA Girl concealer in the color Toffee. That's exactly what it looks like. Like, this is beautiful. Okay, this is actually like a really, really good product. I can't even lie. This looks flawless, like flawless. I know I look crazy right now, but it'll come together, I promise. Okay, so now I'm going in with the color Cocoa, and this reminds me of the Ben Nye cream shadow that I use. Look how rich and dark that is. Like, it's actually a contour color for me. Like, actually, you know? I need it to be dark. Whoop! I don't know what I just did. Yeah. And now I'm going in with a flat contour brush. Okay, so far it's blending out great. So now I'm going to use a stipple brush just to really get it in there and really blend it. Do you see how nicely it's blending into each other? These concealers actually match the description that they gave on the website, which I like. So buying it isn't gonna be, because they don't do returns or exchanges, I believe. So you kind of just have to figure out which color fits you. But if the descriptions are accurate, that's not too hard to do. Okay, so as you can see, everything is blending really nicely. The colors are actually rich and true to color and true to like everything it said. They are rich reds, which is really nice on me. And the concealer is more of a yellow, which is also highlighting really well. And the contour is dark enough to contour because you can see how it's shading my face. So you guys can see how like smooth it looks on my skin and how it's like sitting into my lines really well. Around like my smile lines, under eyes, it's not getting dry and crusty. I'm just going to highlight right here. My face literally looks airbrushed and smooth and chocolatey and not washed out and not gray and not ashy. This is like ash free, which I'm really happy about. So I can actually say that these products are not just for show. They are actually true to their range. Like the colors are actually usable. It's not just there to look nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face by adding some of the Patrick Star setting powder, put on some mascara or lashes, lip gloss, and I'll be right back. See, this concealer has set and snatched my face. My nose is snatched, my forehead is down a couple inches, my cheekbones are snatched. This is a snatchuation, like that's what I'm gonna call this. Everything blended so nicely. You can't come and say that there's lines, like everything, like look at, can we just, as I said, these are not foundations. I just wanted to see the color in its full potential by using them as foundations. The colors are beautiful. The colors are truly beautiful. They are not just for show. I really appreciate whatever extra step they took to make sure that these are actually usable by lots of different people. So I can't even lie. There is no shade, no tea about these concealers. They're actually amazing, and that's all I can say. You know when you feel like you need to look like you're alive? This does not take it away from me. This is why I like to go with such rich colors. And ColourPop, for these being the 3 darkest colors, I look at this and I'm like, what in the world is this? So anybody who says they are similar, they are not. $20 for a concealer, like I said, it does seem like the quality of something you would get at Sephora, like the Sephora brand. So I do feel okay spending that extra coint on it. I'm really happy to say that they are not a waste of money. It can even work as a foundation when you run out. So I'm really happy about this. It's multi-purpose. I can get the most out of the $20 I spent by using this as a foundation if I just don't want to carry too much on me. Of course, I would hope in the future they will make the sizes a little bigger so you can get a little bit more for your money. But other than that, I have to say these are next to like perfect. And I will now post a picture of what my face looked like at the end of the day. I think this was 7 hours after wearing it. You can see that my nose in the crease was a little oily. I did not powder all day and I went to eat, so you can see around my mouth the makeup disappeared because I was eating a big fried chicken sandwich. If you're just going out on a nice little like date and you're not eating, you're good. Just bring some powder with you and touch up. So that's all I can say about that. Other than that, my face looks fine. It did not crease everywhere. It did not get gray and nasty. Nothing happened, and I wore it all over my face. So I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below if you have tried these concealers, if you're thinking about trying them, whatever it is. I hope you guys have a great day. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now, like right now, because you made it to the end of the video. Like you might as well, right? So make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification button so you don't miss any other videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.